In the last session, we have discussed about the profile tools, which is sketching. So in this session, we'll look at the sketch editing tools. So which is like fillet, chamfer, pattern, offset, everything. So sketch editing tools is nothing but sketch whichever created that will be edited. Then after we'll go for a real-time example or in project based. So first we'll start with sketch editing, that is fillet and chamfer. So now I have a sketch here. So fillet is nothing but just click on fillet and click on the point, or you can select two lines. So I'll click on the point, or you can fix the radius. I'll select 30 and click here. So directly your fillet will be ready. Also same for the chamfer. Select the lines or select the point. Before you do that, you should select whether it's symmetric or non-symmetric. So if it is symmetric, I'll go with the 16 mm. 16 mm is not enough for this. We'll go for 15. Select this. So here you can see here, from here to here it is 50, and this point to this point it is 50 for a symmetric. But when you are working with asymmetric, there will be two options. So here I'll select 100. One side is it's 50 and another one side it is 100. Click here. Then so now it is actually 0. So I'll make it 50. So select the chamfer, asymmetric, we'll make it 50. Select here. So actually here what happens is, so it's equal, so automatically it will take. So here you have to select the dimension, whether this side you need, one side you need 50 or another side. So actually my dimension is one side 50, one more side it is 100. So I'll make it 100. So both distance are locked as you see there. So this side or this side, you have only two options. Either if I select this side, down it will be 100, and up vertical side it will be 50. And if I select this side, this is 50 and vertical side it is 100. I'll make it like this. This is how fillet and chamfer works. And about the offset, if you click on offset and select a curve or any line, then automatically it will pop up the distance window or distance tab. So in that distance tab, you can directly apply the distance. I'll make it 25. So 25 distance offset has been generated. At the same time, if you want inside, you can use the inside. So here you can see this is the distance, so reverse direction. Okay, so this is 25. I'll make it 30. I'll select this. So right now it is upper side. So if you click here, now it is inside 30 and outside 25. This is how offset works. And the pattern is, if you click here, there are three type of patterns. One is general, circular, and linear. Okay, so general defines a layout using locations defined by one or more target points or coordinate system. So it is okay. First, we'll look at the linear. Linear, how it works. Before you select any method, select the curve. Okay. So you can select one or more curves. I'll select two curves. And linear object. What is linear object? You can select this or any center line, anything. Okay. So I'll select this. Now, spacing. What are the different types? One is count and pitch, count and span, and pitch and span. So here, count and pitch is nothing but count means number of copies you need, and the pitch is nothing but distance between two objects or distance between references of the two objects. Okay. At the same time, count and span is nothing but so space distance. So total how many space you have, according to that, that count will be allotted. Okay. So for example, there is a 480, 500, and you can put whatever the quantity you need. I'll go with the count and pitch. So count, now we have 5, and I'll make it 250. Still 250 is less. We'll make it 350. Okay. So now this is the pattern. So next, we'll go with the mirror. How mirror? Oh, okay. One more thing is remaining. This is in this pattern. You can use the circular pattern also. If you select circular pattern, first select the object. So now I have selected object. Then specify center point. Center point. I'll select this, and so now spacing and pitch angle. Pitch angle, it is given 10 degrees. You can make it 35 degrees also. Okay, now if you click this point, it doesn't work. Why? Because this point is inside the curve. Okay, so if you need to rotate this, either you should select uh, somewhere here if you have any point, or you can select here in this line. You can select another point. If you really want to rotate from here itself, you should create one point, or else you can select any intersection points or something like that. Okay. So I'll go with this point. It's actually curved. So here there is one more point. You can select this. So now what you see here, this is a 90 degree, not 90 degree, like pitch and angle. So 12 into 10, 120 degree. Before that, so we have some other options, count and pitch, count and span. So we can increase this, or you can decrease this. We'll increase this. Count span angle. I'll make it 180 degree. Now what happens? Whatever the count is will be remaining same, but the angle is increasing. I'll make it 360. Now you can see here